So good day, everybody. This is our installation, one of our recent installation at a location in Ogumosho, Oyo State. By God's grace, we're able to set up a 24 VDC 2.75 kV inverter with 1 kVA, 1 kilowatt panel, four pieces of 250-watt panel, and that's the setup where we're fixing the hydrometer. And after fixing the hydrometer is the gauge that we use in checking up the current condition of the density and the volume of water in the tall tubular battery. That's us fixing the tall tubular battery and setting it up in 24 UDC by two of my staff. And after setting up the battery rack, although we decided to cut out the battery rack part on the video, if you want to know how to set up battery rack, you can check our previous video on our YouTube channel. That's Mr. Kayode and Afa Shako fixing up the battery. And after fixing the battery, we are trying to connect it up now. He's trying to connect it up to establish a 24 VDC, meaning that the batteries are connected in series. When you connect battery in series, you achieve 24 VDC, or using two battery 24 VDC, 220 amps hour. But if you connect in parallel, you achieve 12 VDC, 440 amps hour. But in this particular setup, we are connecting the batteries in series to achieve 24 volt, 220 amps hour. That's the inverter. He's trying to set up the inverter now. We trying to check up which side of the inverter should face front and back based on the volume of the cables. But he later decided to make it in that direction, meaning the DC part is facing out while the AC part is facing inside. That's our charge controller. That's the setup, and I hope you enjoy it. That's the AC part of the setup, and the front part is